So the world has kind of gone to shit, and the economy has kind of gone straight down the pooper along with it, and you need some extra ways to make money. And some of you, many of you out there are like getting second jobs, maybe third jobs, and you're trying to pick all these extra work hours up for this pay rates that are very limited. It's like limited pay rates. It's got a cap on it. You're an employee, you know. How can you make an extra $20, $30, $50 this week? That's something that you are wondering if you're watching this video and you're new to the channel. And that's kind of what we help you do on this channel. That's always been my goal. Of course, largely the channel started as a freelance entrepreneurial channel talking about those subjects, but we're going to kind of expand it a bit going forward. But if you are brand new here, how can you make $20, $30, $50, $100 this week? And how can you do that without another job, without a second or third job? How can you do it in a way that will allow you to put in less time, less effort, not go anywhere and work straight from home and not get that extra job? You're going to make more money than you would make at a second job, potentially. This channel, there's one big overarching theme here that people come here for. The one reason why like 12,000 people are subscribed is because a lot of people have come here and learned how to make money through freelancing. So if you were looking for a way to make money this week, I think that freelancing, and I'll explain what that is here in just a minute. I know some of you hear that word and you're like, oh my gosh, like freelancing, what is that? This is do I have to go out and be a photographer and try and pitch my photography, my pictures to some guy at the newspaper? I don't know. Freelancing, it's really simple, and it will make you money if you come at it from the right approach. Now, the right approach is all over this channel. You can watch my videos later on if you want to do that. But freelancing, here's how you're going to do it. Go over to Upwork.com, www.upwork.com. And this is where most people should start. Not Fiverr, not any other freelance platform, not LinkedIn, none of those places. Start on Upwork. Go create your free account today. You just go over to their website, you create a free account. If you need to know how to do that, I have a tutorial down below this video. You can scroll down, watch the whole tutorial if you want to. It'll show you how to get approved on your first try on Upwork. Once you get in there, you can immediately create your profile and you can start applying to freelance gigs. And freelancing, that encompasses a lot of stuff. Some people don't know what skill they're going to do or how they can get work or anything. But you can do writing, you can write blogs, you can do copywriting, you can write marketing materials, you can be a musician, you can create sounds, you can create intro music for videos, you can be a video production specialist, somebody who helps edit videos, you can be an illustrator, you can draw, you can color, you can create things digitally, you can be a virtual assistant, you can help people with things like Google Sheets, you can help people with website optimization. I'm just throwing different skills out there. There are many, many skills. You need to be on Upwork to see what kind of work is available. Once you get in there, you're just going to start applying to gigs. Anything that looks like a fit for you. You're going to search through the jobs that are available. You'll see them right there on the screen. And when you do that, you're going to search, you're going to find gigs, you're going to apply to them. Some of those clients are going to respond. And of the ones who respond, if you have said something that will attract those clients, which again, tutorial down below, I teach how to do this. It's all free. It's right down there. I show you like, here's what to say, here's how to say it if you want clients to respond. You'll get those clients to respond. Those clients are going to hand you work. The work is simple. This is not employee work. It's not W-2 work. This is being a sole proprietor. It is being a business. And that part is not complicated either. We can talk about that later on. But you are just going to do the work. You're going to deliver it through Upwork, and then you are going to get paid. And you can do that this week. My very first week freelancing, I made $300. And that was my first week ever. That's been a long time, like way back. It still works today. And this is where you need to start. So if you are looking to make money right now without putting in an extra 20 or 40 hours a week at a second or third job, then this is what you should be doing. You should be diving in with freelancing. If you don't have a skill, you should learn a skill. Maybe go learn, like spend a few days learning copywriting, spend a few days learning how to write a blog post. That's it. It's simple. And you do that, you apply to these gigs, you get the gigs, you over-deliver, you deliver something as awesome as you can, and then you're going to get paid. And whenever I jumped into freelancing, I was trying to build a different business. I was trying to build a publishing company. That publishing company failed, and so I said, okay, I'm going to do freelancing, and that's what I did. And I went, and that first week, again, made money. Second week, made money. Third week, made money. Been making money as a freelancer ever since. Taught thousands and thousands of people to do that. This channel is not just about freelancing, though. We're going to talk about other ways to make money on this channel, such as, for instance, Udemy, or different skills that you can do, or different business ideas that you can try. And all of that is going to build into your supervillain empire, where you achieve personal world domination. That being the domination of your individual reality in a way that is self-sustaining for you, so that you don't have to be a corporate slave anymore, so that you don't have to give up your time to companies and businesses that hate you, so that you don't have to do anything really that you don't want to do, since you only have a limited amount of time on this planet before you meet the great beyond. So, subscribe, I guess, if you want to, or just watch my videos. I really don't care. I love you guys. Some of you I hate, but, you know, it is what it is. Most of you I love. You're really cool people. And the new people who come to this channel, you're always really cool until you're not. So subscribe or don't subscribe. Like this video if you liked anything in it, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon.